We are making celery juice today, mixing celery, carrot, and apple. The benefits of celery juice are popular on the internet. Celery juice can prevent anemia, improve sleep, lower blood pressure, and improve anxiety. Celery is not only nutritious, but also has medicinal value. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that celery has the functions of refreshing stomach, clearing away heat and expelling wind, sharpening teeth and throat, improving eyesight, nourishing energy, nourishing blood and strengthening spleen, relieving cough and diuresis, and lowering blood pressure and calming down. Celery is rich in fiber and has a strong bowel cleansing effect, which can take away harmful substances in the intestines. Therefore, celery is regarded as a good product for weight loss. Carrots are rich in nutrients, which can nourish the liver and improve eyesight, enhance human immunity, purify internal organs, relieve constipation, lower blood sugar, lower fat, and prevent vascular cirrhosis. Apple. Eating raw apples can promote body fluids and quench thirst, help digestion, and relieve hangover. Apple is very nutritious with many vitamins. To prepare, wash and clean celery, carrot, and apples. Take out the core of apples. Chop all ingredients into small pieces and blend together. Because celery is cold in nature, people with spleen and stomach deficiency, abdominal pain, and diarrhea should not eat too much. Celery has the effect of lowering blood pressure, and those with low blood pressure should not eat too much. Celery is cold. We can add a little ginger to this juice. At the same time, consult a Chinese medicine practitioner to adjust the proportion of different fruits and vegetables and consumption frequency according to individuals' conditions. For example, adding different ingredients such as ginger, garlic, or onions based on different people's needs.